Hey guys, I'm on my way out the door. May or may not be going out to check some cameras, but on another note, we've got some workshops coming up. We put a lot of time into these. They're going to be very informative and entertaining at the same time because it's me. Anyways, they're going to be one of them's in Enfield, New Hampshire. It's a tracking and still hunting course. That's going to be on January 22nd. I know, a little short notice. We sent out emails. People may or may not have got them, so we want to tell you guys about that. The other one is going to be in Deering, New Hampshire. 2/5, February 5th. Same, going to be about 6 hours both, about 10 to 4, I think. And then we're going to be doing a shed hunting course. That's a 3-hour course, and that's in Enfield on the January 29th. And we're pending right now. We may be getting one in Deering also on February 19th, excuse me. So if you want more information on that, this is how you do that. You email me at Richardson's Whitetail LLC at outlook.com. One more time, that's Richardson's Whitetail LLC at outlook.com. As you can see, I'm not used to doing that kind of stuff. Or you can check Richardson's Whitetail Services Facebook page, and it'll have all the details you need to get into one of these courses. I hope to see you there. Come and do this, because this just helps me make more videos, so keep you guys entertained and informed. Thanks a lot. I'm in the woods. Bye.